Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard knuckles through safe conditioning. We'll start by understanding the importance of a gradual approach to training. It's crucial to listen to your body and avoid overtraining, which can lead to serious injury. Remember, the goal is to build resilience over time, not to achieve instant results. Let's dive into the first steps. Next, let's explore some effective training methods. Start with knuckle push-ups on a padded mat or carpet to protect your hands. As your knuckles adapt, you can slowly transition to firmer surfaces. Additionally, incorporating heavy bag work, focusing on correct punching technique, will further strengthen your hands and wrists. Always wrap your hands for protection during bag work. Beyond physical training, nutrition and recovery play a vital role. A diet rich in protein, calcium, and vitamin D supports bone density and tissue repair. Getting enough sleep allows your body to recover and rebuild stronger. Hydration is also essential for overall health and performance. Remember, your body needs the right fuel to adapt and strengthen. Finally, let's talk about injury prevention and long-term care. Always prioritize safety. If you experience any sharp pain, stop training immediately. Proper hand wrapping and quality gloves are indispensable for protecting your knuckles and wrists. For any persistent pain, swelling, or discomfort, it's always best to consult a medical professional. Your long-term hand health is paramount.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.